Hello, this is Mijan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up WhatsApp button click. Here are lots of businesses, those who send WhatsApp button click as a conversion in Google Ads or Google Analytics. So in this case, I'm going to share this video so that you can do it in proper way. However, you can see this is my WhatsApp button. So there are two ways to track this. First of all, the way is when someone click this here like this icon, then you can send it as a conversion. On the other hand, you can send these like when someone click on this button open chat. I prefer the second one, like when someone click this open chat and new chat will be open. I basically suggest to do it because this is just a button click. Okay, this is just a click, and if someone wants, he can just click this button and then close this window. But if you track this one, then this will be much more better than this icon click or button click. However, to track this, first of all, we have to connect the Google Tag Manager with our website. So I already connected this Google Tag Manager with my website. Now I have to preview my GTM because I need to set up the event. So for this, click on preview from my GTM and I can open my Google Analytics. Well, you can see the tag assistant is connected. Yep. So if I click on this button and go to the tag assistant, nothing is coming. Nice. If I click on open chat, then nothing. So to get this data, we have to again go to Google Tag Manager, then trigger section, select the all elements. Now we can preview. And from here, this is our Google Analytics 4. Need to go to the admin and then data stream. Okay, fine. Tag assistant is connected. Let's see. Yep. Click here. Anything is happening? Yep. This is the click event. And if I click here open chat, then we have also got a click event here. So if I go to the variable section, you can see here is the click classes, then click text. So I'm going to set up this event with the help of these click classes. If you want, then you can directly create a trigger by these click classes and send it to GA4 or Google Ads, whatever you want. But in my case, I'm going to create a event like WhatsApp click or anything else, so that based on this event I can send it to any platform. So we can edit this one, some click classes equals this one. Go to tag section, new, then select the custom HTML, and I need to write some code here, so I already write them here. Just copy and paste. And if you want, then you can change this event name and write here anything. I am going to use this WhatsApp click, this event, and no need to do anything. Just select this trigger what we have created a few times ago. All right, just save it. Now click on preview. It's connected. If I click here, you can see the click event is fired, but no event is come. Okay, and if I click here, then it should be fired because we are going to set up the event based on this button click. Okay, when someone click this button, then the WhatsApp chat will be open in the new tab, or it will suggest to open the WhatsApp. So yeah, we can see the click. Under this click, the CHTML event is fired, and this is the new event what we actually set up with the help of custom HTML tag. So this is our event. Now if you want to send this data in Google Analytics or Google Ads, then you can easily send it through this event. If you create a custom event by this event name, then you can easily do it. So we can send this data to GA4. For this, go to tags, click on new, Google Analytics, Google tag, and this will be our measurement ID or Google tag. Paste it here, save. Again new, Google Analytics event, paste the measurement ID here, event name. You can send it as a lead event, or you can send it as a WhatsApp click. It's up to you. If you collect your leads through this WhatsApp and you don't have any lead form but you are running ads, you have this WhatsApp button in your website and you want to collect this as a event or as a conversion. When someone click on this button and contact you, then you can easily send this as a lead event or as a conversion event. So yeah, I can write here like a custom event name, like WhatsApp click. With this event you can send any static value, or if you don't want to send, then don't need to send. In my case, I'm going to send value 100, currency USD. When you will send this as a conversion event, then I suggest you to send this, but it's optional. Then the trigger will be custom event, and this is our trigger. Save. Now we need to go to the admin section again, and from here debug view, and then preview the GTM. It takes some time. If I click here, the event should be fired. And if I go to the report section, real-time overview, you can see this is the WhatsApp click event is fired. Okay, so this is how you can send the WhatsApp click as a conversion. So that's it. I hope you could understand everything. If you have any question or confusion, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Stay with me for the next tutorial.